Hi guys, my name is Anna and I'm with All About Trucks. Tune in on our YouTube channel where we will be answering the most common asked questions by our trucking customers, and click subscribe to check out what we have coming up next. On today's episode, we'll be talking about IFTA and what you need to know. IFTA is an agreement among all jurisdictions for motor carriers that travel in more than one jurisdiction. It is essential for companies that have trucks over 26,000 pounds to have an IFTA license and IFTA decals on the truck. So for our next question, how does IFTA work and what do we need to stay compliant? That is one of our most commonly asked questions. For IFTA reporting, we recommend having a fuel card or keeping track of your fuel receipts or using an ELD provider. That would be your best option. Another thing to remember with being compliant with IFTA is that you have to maintain your records for 4 years, meaning you are downloading your reports and keeping track of them just in case if the system erases them. You are to download them and keep record for up to 4 years. Another commonly asked question is, what are the penalties if you don't file IFTA on time? Most common penalties are that after about a month and a half, they will start to revoke your IFTA license and will suspend your account. Furthermore, you could lead to having a bond requirement, and once you have a bond, there is no way of getting out of it. A common question that we get asked are, what are some of the mistakes when filing IFTA returns? We've seen in our time here is that drivers are likely rounding up their miles or rounding up their gallons or not providing the real fuel numbers based off their fuel receipts or their fuel card. It is very important that you use the correct fuel amounts off of the data on your fuel card or those fuel receipts. In order to avoid those mistakes though, please give us a call at 224-238-3155 and we'll be happy to guide you. One other question that we get asked is, how do states handle IFTA audits and what can the customer expect? The best way to guide you there is to give us a call and we'll be happy to let you know if you are due for an IFTA audit. However, if you are a resident of Illinois and have an Illinois IFTA account, you would only be audited in the state of Illinois. How can I make my IFTA reporting process easier and more accurate? The best way would be with an ELD device and using a fuel card or keeping track of those fuel receipts. But an ELD device, we do recommend downloading your reports because there are in some situations where the reports can get deleted from the system and you have to keep a record for up to 4 years. To open IFTA in Illinois, you need 3 proofs of address. In addition, we'll need your social security number and a routing and account number to order the stickers with. For maintaining your IFTA accounts, you are required to file 4 quarterly reports. And for renewal, we need to confirm that your address is the same as the address that we opened the account with and how many stickers we'll need to order for you for the upcoming year. Thank you guys so much for tuning in about our IFTA questions. Make sure to click subscribe down below and like us on all of our social media platforms. If you have a question, you're welcome to jot it down in the comments and we'll be happy to answer that for you, or you can visit us at allabouttrucks.us. Tune in next time where we talk about state-specific permits.